Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my rat cage. It's called the Manor rat home. We're going to go close up to it. We're going to see what it looks like here. So that's kind of what it looks like. So you can pause that and see what it looks like. So that's what it's for, and we're going to build this right now and see what it looks like. So yeah, pretty much that's it's safe, true proof, all metal, provides 4 levels and 3 ladders of whatever, blah blah blah, all this other crap. It's 22, this is the size right here, 22.5 by 16 by 32 high. So it's made for them to be able to climb high and stuff like that. So pretty much, yeah, that's what's going on. So, sorry, I hurt my back. So let me see if I can lift this up. So yeah, this is the side of it. So you guys can read it. And that's it. Yeah, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. I'm going to put it back on the counter over here. I mean on the table over here. And we're going to see what it looks like when I open it up. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So we got the 3 ramps out that it has, and there's different levels. We got the levels right here. These are the different levels that they have as well. This looks like the middle level, so this is where they're going to come through. So I'm going to have to cover this with some kind of, we're going to try to cover this with a sheet or felt or something we're going to try to cover all this with to make it safe. So we're going to take this out. This is what it looks like. We took this out. I'm going to have to read the instructions on how to put it together, but pretty much that's what it looks like, the unboxing review of what you're going to get. When you unbox it, you're going to get this. And we're going to give you I'm going to give you an updated video when I open this up and I start messing with it and I read the instructions and stuff like that. So that's it. So that's it for now. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I'm going to put another video up of this when I'm building it and putting it together and putting... Alright, so we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we're going to open this up and see what it looks like and see how it is to put this thing together. I read the instructions a little bit, not a lot. I don't know, I skimmed through them and let's see what they look like, okay? Alright, so I think you just connect them crisscross. I don't know, I'm just winging it right now, so we'll deal with it. All right. So anyway, we got it together. That's what it looks like. That's what you can expect it to look like. It is you already know the measurements as you saw from the video. You saw from the video before. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put together the inside as soon as possible, and then you're going to see what that looks like. But this is just to get the gist of it, to see exactly what it looks like after I put it together, and you know, see the shape of it and see the size of it and stuff like that. All right, so we'll get back to the rest of it. Okay.